Okay, got two of these done. There's one sitting next to the 40 millimeter, which is on the left, and the 60 millimeter is on the right. It's got the projectile on there. And I fill this with 2-part resin, and it's got a steel washer and a rubber washer I made out of neoprene rubber. That's for the seal for the ball. The steel goes underneath the rubber here, and that's got to be nice and flat. If you got a little bump or messed up edge, it's perfect cut around that. It'll mess up, it won't seal. Okay, the top where the air comes off, I've got that long end of this fitting screwed in right there. Okay, but where the air goes in, right there, this is just a rubber leg thing for chairs and tables. Okay, that uses this black one, and it's cut off here, but that has to be a 3/8 hole in that, because the tap for the 1/8" national pipe thread for the air tank air fixture, that tap has to fit that 3/8 inch hole. The fixtures came with it are too big. The hole length's too big. So that's why I used the bigger hole for the air release. The smaller hole one, the black one, that one, for the Schrader valve. Okay, so you got your ball right there. The Schrader valve and a projectile on there.